Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. If you're new tuning in, welcome. So today's video is just going to be me utilizing the Do Grow Stimulating Hair Growth Oil. Bob needs a massage. Bob has been stressed. If you've been following along with me, you know that I've been dealing with that. The last time I gave my scalp a massage, it was when I had my loose natural, but right now I do have this protective bob hairstyle, and that ain't gonna stop no show. I like to give myself a routine scalp massage. As you guys can see, these braids are fairly new. I've installed these about 2.5 or so weeks ago. If you're new tuning in, please, you guys, give this video a great big thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell's notification so that you will be alerted of new videos. And also, you guys, subscribe. It's totally free. I would love for you guys to be a part of this Tube Nation. So I'm just giving you guys an overview of some of my areas that I give a little bit more extra care to. And it's typically the nape of my head. As I told you guys in a previous video, I decided not to braid too much of the nape of my head because I just did not want to add any more stress. So I just left those loose. So I did my best to kind of braid my hair in a way that it would camouflage those areas so that they can continue to do what they do without having any tension applied to them. So yeah, that's how your girl been rolling. However, let's get to this massage. So you can currently see how much of this oil I have now. This oil is good for a plethora of different things. One of the things is that it does help promote a healthier scalp and hair growth. I do like the spewer because it just makes it easier for me to go directly into my scalp like so and apply the product. And let me just tell you, this Do Grow smells absolutely amazing. I really like it. I think I did a video about this product previously. If you have not checked out that video, please go ahead and go back and check that initial review out. So, you know, guys, you're not new to this. Typically, when I give my scalp a massage, I go in with the pads of my finger. I do not go in with my nails. I go in with the pads of all 5 fingers on each hand. Okay, and I massage. I'm doing the same here. As you guys can see, my hands are flat. I go in with the pads of my hands. Okay, now areas that's going to be seen, I try to be a little bit gentle because I don't want to massage out any hair from the braid. Going into the back of my head and the nape area, that requires a little bit more attention, and I am applying the oil directly to it. And then I go in with the massage. Now, believe it or not, you guys, I actually have a really small head, so both of my hands together can probably grip my whole head in the back. When I tell you that this feels absolutely amazing, this feels amazing. And this definitely helps me relieve a little bit of that stress that I have been dealing with. Yeah. So just going in massaging, and you guys, no finger gets left behind. I use all 10 of my fingers when giving a massage. Yes, this includes my thumbs. Every finger goes to work, okay? Now when it comes to like right at my temples, above my ear, I typically go in with 1 finger initially, and I just give it a really good firm massage there. And then around my edges in the front where your baby hairs would be, I typically go in with the tips of my fingers, not my nails, just the tips of my finger, and I give massages there. And I, of course, like so, I apply a little bit more oil if necessary, and I massage. Feels wonderful, you guys. This is what's left. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.